Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Jenny Fine. I hope you guys are doing okay. And if you are new here and also if you are my returning subscribers, you are welcome to my channel. You guys are the best.
Go, shawty. Girl, it's your birthday. Go.
For today's video, guys, it's gonna be first impression makeup, testing out new makeup, and also a new makeup review. So it's kind of a lot of things we're gonna do right here. And the product I'm gonna be trying out today is no other brand than Revolution Makeup. Guys, before you get it wrong, this is not Makeup Revolution. I think this is the umbrella, the main brands to Makeup Revolution, Tam Beauty, I Love Makeup, and many other more makeup sub brands. They just opened a new sub brand called Revolution Pro. I've seen a lot of mixed review about this product, this brand. So I received my packaging today, and yes, I'm going to show you. This is how it comes in the post. I purchased this product on Saturday, which was the 7th of April, and I got it delivered Wednesday, which is the 11th of April. I think the shipping is really fast. It's not that too slow for me to get my package just in time. I am super happy. It's still double sealed inside. Again, double sealed, which is really nice. At least my package is not going to break easily. I'm in love already. This is what I'm looking at here. Really beautiful colors. I bought the foundation. This is the Revolution Pro Full Cover Camouflage Foundation, and I also bought their Full Coverage Camouflage Concealers, 2 of them. A liquid lipstick. I like the packaging. Also the Revolution Pro matte eyeshadow palette. I hope this is as pigmented as the colors I'm seeing, because this is beautiful. Like, this is what I've been looking for. And also purchased a liquid lipstick from Makeup Revolution. This is called On Display. I can't wait to try it. And one more item. So first of all, guys, I have primed my skin, so I'm just gonna wake it up by spraying their illuminative spray. Give it a quick shake. Ew, it smells funny. Smells chemical. The reason I sprayed my face is because just to give it a bit of moist into waking up my skin. Although I've primed it, but because I've left it out for so long, my skin is a bit dry now. So everything is triple sealed. Like, come on, this is good. At least when you know you're buying stuff, you know it's not already opened. Trying to purchase this product in their website, their pictures they claim to put there is literally different from the product entirely. It's actually dark. Me trying to buy something that I think might be good for my skin, and their pictures is deceiving me. It's making me not want to purchase the product, because I feel like when I buy it, I'm super gonna be too dark because I'm thinking that it's my color. No, they're super oversaturated their sample pictures, which is not nice at all. I watch quite a lot of videos online just to try and get my shades. I don't want to double buy something and end up wasting it and end up getting disappointed. This foundation is in F13. This is their Full Coverage Camouflage Foundation. The foundation smells funny. So this is a tube foundation. I've not had any tube foundation ever before, so I don't really know like the consistency in it that is different from a bottle foundation. But so far I feel like this foundation is drying out quickly. Like, it's full coverage, very full coverage, but it's actually like drying out so fast to matte. So I just have to blend quickly. This foundation is not heavy at all. It's giving me a satin to matte finish with a bit of eye shine. Can you see I'm a bit doing some part, but I am not oily. I am still hydrated underneath this foundation, which is really good. I like the finish. The finish is so flawless, like, ooh, flawless. I woke up like this. I bought two type of concealer, two different shades. One is a C13 and the other one is C12. I do use my C12 a lot from the Makeup Revolution concealer. C30 is a bit too dark, but which I already know. I might use my C30 as my contour, but I don't know how this product swatch. I'm just quickly going to do a 2 swatch on my hands to see for you guys. So this is C12 on the back of my hand. It's a super creamy full coverage, very soft concealer and slide easily. Like, I like the finish, very like soft, buttery. So this is C13 now, very warm, a bit of golden undertone concealer. It's just more like my foundation, but like you can see, it's a bit too dark. I obviously, Revolution makeup, if you're watching, I need 2 more shades in between these two. Like, come on guys, like, I love the concealer. I've not tried it on my face yet, but the swatch that is giving me tells me that this concealer is gonna be great, will do great things. To me, it's like that of MAC Cover Select concealers. That's the way I see this concealer. I have not used that from MAC, but I've seen quite a lot of that product even in shops. I have not used any cheap concealer before. I always like the one with a duffel dough and a stick, which is a really good applicator and easy way to apply your concealer. With this tube concealer, I might as well need a brush to apply it underneath my eye. So that is the only issue I have with this right now. So first of all, I'm just gonna apply my Elegant Infant just to warm up underneath my eyes before I go over with my C12, because my C12 is a bit too light, so you don't want none of that, do we? The reason I'm applying this concealer is because I like the very deep warm yellow goldy undertone, which will cancel out any light concealer and also blends into my foundation. Applying this my C13 just to contour my nose. Honestly, there is no point in this C13, so I'm just blending out that C13 concealer on my nose. I really think there's no point, but it's really a good nice contour nose contour concealer. So next, to brighten up my under eye, which I use my yellow font concealer for, I just need to brighten it up a bit more. So I'm gonna go over with my C12 from Revolution Pro. So I'm applying this product with a brush. So this is like a disadvantage for me because it's just like time consuming. Applying this product is a very sticky one. So I'm just gonna go over to blend out with my beauty blender, starting from the jaw first. Wow, oh my god, is that my skin? My under eye is not creasing, guys. It's not creasing. Like, this is my new found best foundation. So next, I'm gonna set the skin with my Sacha Buttercup powder. So guys, I'm just gonna do my brows and be back for our eyeshadow look. I'm back, my eyebrows is done, and also I primed my eyelid. So next I'll be applying the eyeshadow, and I don't know what color to use, but I'm gonna show you guys. So here is the eyeshadow palette. These are all 18 matte eyeshadow, and I really love this color. I die for this matte color. Nice for transition colors, nice for like a bit of bold colored looks. Like, come on. So from the lightest to the dark, which is white, and the dark is kind of like a purple, gray, black. So the white is Saint. The next color is called Attached. The yellow is called New Day. This is Daydream, Halftime, Believer, Ringleader, Fearless, Shrine, Indication, Crusade, Poison, Upper Hand, Underdog, Recruche, Exclusive, Unted, and Cursed. Everything is just sealed. Come on. So for my transition color, I'm gonna be using Daydream. A nice pigment on the brush. Please be nice on my eyelid. Okay, this is super pigmented. I am not expecting this. I am not expecting this at all. Okay, wow. And for my brow bone highlight, I'm gonna be using Attached right here. This is my new favorite palette, guys. Okay. It's good to have a nice blended eyeshadow, but I love all these shades that I don't know what to do with my eyelid. So just on top of my Daydream, I'm just gonna apply Half Time. It's just next by to Daydream. So for my lead inner color shadow, I'm gonna go for New Day. This is a very sharp yellow. I don't know why I'm going for this color, but I just felt like I just need it, I guess. Create a nice look. It's not popping out the way I want, so I'm gonna cut it with my concealer. I'm applying a bit of C12 concealer just to cut the crease and look up so it transfer. And apply a bit of a tattoo liner from L'Oreal. Everything just falling on my hands. If I want to do this look, I'm gonna do it properly, but this is just, I'm just trying to see how good the shadow is. Bit of mascara. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes and finish this eye look, and I'll be back. Welcome back, guys. This is the finished face look and eye look of this tutorial. And just to finish up this look with the lipstick, I will be using the Makeup Revolution Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is called Perplexed. Is it? Perplexed. I don't know. If you guys get it right, please leave a comment below. I like the packaging. Like, my god, the packaging is to die for. Nice formula. And to finish up with a spray, gonna spray this illuminating spray. Give it a shake. Wow, it's a playful eye look because I would have done a better cut crease. I just want to like play with the colors a bit, so that's why I have this cricket eyeshadow look on my eyes, but it's also perfect. I don't know if the lipstick is a matte lipstick because it's not drying, rather it's very sheen satin, giving me that, I don't know, pump lips. This is the finished look to our Revolution Pro new makeup line, sub brand to the Revolution Beauty London. Oh my god, I'm dying for this look. The foundation, I love it so much. Like, it's good. It's actually my shade color in the Makeup Revolution. I like the fact that they follow the same pattern, the same color, the same name and tagging in their other sub brand. Like the Makeup Revolution, they have like F13, F1, F218. This comes in 18 shades. I like the tube. I don't really have any product on the tube. It's very sleek, portable, very nice. packaging. I think this is 0.87 fluounces. I'm a full coverage girl. I like the fact that this is full coverage. It's really good, like covers of my hyperpigmentation and give me a nice blend finish. It dries down to matte, semi-matte, and also give me a bit of hydration and a satin nice finish, which I love. The foundation, I'll give the foundation 10 over 10. For the concealers, I took C12 and C13. I really like the packaging. It's nothing compared to any other concealer tube I have there, or any other concealer packaging. This is super full coverage concealer. At least I use it underneath my eye. I don't have creases. It's not settling into my fine lines. This concealer is great. I love it. Like, it's kind of sticky, but that stickiness makes it coverage, like give a bit of nice coverage, just in case you are blending. It does not like move, if you get what I'm trying to say. So it's like when you apply this concealer, it sits there, it blends there nicely, and it does not budge, does not move. If you have the Makeup Revolution concealers and foundation, if you want to go ahead and try this, why not? But if you don't have that, this is also like good. And if you know your shade in that one, you can also have your shade in Revolution Pro. This cost £5. The concealers cost £5. The Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation cost £5, and the Revolution Pro foundation cost £7. I'm not yet to differentiate the price. I'm just trying to tell you, like, it's a bit higher. Like, the Revolution Pro is kind of like a higher standard to the Makeup Revolution. That's the way I see it, because the price are actually higher and increased. And my love of today, I think this is the height of it. This is the most reason I like Revolution Pro. The packaging is very nice and sleek. You can see your product right outside. You can see your shadow. You can, like, I die for colors. I live for colors. I like colors. Like, everything about me is colorful. This cost £7. Why not? It's worth it. Thank you guys. So this is the end of my review of my testing out and trying out new makeup and my first impressions. I love it. The spray is also good. I think it set my makeup nicely, with very illuminating my skin to be a bit dewy. I love it. Okay, well done, Revolution Pro. You did it. Yeah, so guys, if you like this look, leave your comment below, slap a like on this video, and if you don't like this video, you're hurting my feeling, but I'm not gonna die. I'm still gonna survive. And guys, don't forget to subscribe before you go. It's very important. Subscribe before you go. And if you want to be receiving daily alerts from me whenever I upload, don't forget to click on that notification bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload. And until then, guys, I'm going to be seeing you on my next video. So take care of yourself and be nice to others. So peace out. Ooh. Oh God. Ooh. Yeah, guys, this is the finished look to our Makeup Revolution. Sorry. So guys, this is the finish. I know a lot of people like to do this. Ooh. Okay, I'll be here all day trying to do that.